Okay, so this is spinal stethoscope. This is the plastic one. So this is the iron one. It serves the same purpose, and it's used for auscultation of the fetal heart, and also um, just to know whether during antenatal monitoring or even during labor. This is the umbilical cord clamp after delivery. This is what they use to clamp the cord so that to prevent bleeding from the umbilical vessel. So you also have to know that. So this is vacuum extractor or ventus. So we are him. So this is just the cup, elastic cup. This is the metallic cup. But this is what we normally use now. It's a kiwi. It has a self um, safety mechanism where the color code, as I apply the pressure, the green marks the safety area. By the time you are going to the red, it now means that the pressure is getting too much. So this is what we use now instead of using this plastic, this metallic or plastic cup and connect it to the suction tube. But this one is self-regulated. So this is also a kiwi vacuum. So then these are sutures. They might project sutures for you. This is Victory. Victory is also is an absorbable suture. It's a synthetic delay absorbable suture, and the get absorbed two round ends. This one will be to the exterior, while the other end will be to the posterior, so that any cement deposit can be collected here. So it's a form of barrier method of contraception can be projected to you. This is copper T. You could see um, the copper T, and this is the loader. So after correct insertion, this plunger is pulled out while the T end is retained in the uterine cavity. So this is copper T. So this is another one copper T inside. If you look at the end here, you see a brown structure here. This is the T end, while this is the plunger, and this is the blue flange. So we also have the injectables. This is Depo-Provera 3-monthly injection, contain 150 milligram of medroxy progesterone acetate. Then we also have these Norplant. So we normally use Norplant again because Norplant is six rod. This is implant for contraception. Why this is injectable? Just for you to know. And this is pills, combined oral contraceptive pills. It contains the 21 active, while the 7 is the placebo. It's a form of oral contraceptive pills, so they can be asked. So all those structures that I showed earlier, A is female condom, B is levonorgestrel releasing intrauterine system, Mirena. It's a copper impregnated with progesterone. That is Mirena. Then also the coronary copper non-plant combara contraceptive male condom. So these are some notes, the failure rates in typical use. Then these are the contraception that I talked about, Posino 2 and all. So this is the copper T. The question here, they can add a question, how long can this be used? List 2 advices you give after inserting the patient. What should you do if the woman get pregnant after placing it? These are things you have to explain, yes, to the woman. So it can be used up to 8-10 years, and after inserting it, there might be some form of cramp or abdominal and some vaginal bleeding after So then after getting pregnant, you have to pass on that timing of this or two would be normally yes detection. Is my detection